IFM News. Lokal.
Okay, may atin? Idol John, go!
Nang ti reaksyon ni Konsehal Abogado Jason Bader Pereira, iti nakarestara ni dati Presidente Rodrigo Duterte babae ng International Criminal Court wenno ICC. Sigun ken kuana day ticket tinadakamat ng ICC ket na disenyo tapno na may kanati hustisya dagiti nagbalin a biktima kadagiti krimen kontra iti human rights. Nimbatad na ati ICC, tinadutukan nga ag-investigar kay ni dati Presidente tadakkel ti posibilidad na at tinagapuanan a lugar at ti makakusaran kit saan na nga idarom ng nangruna dagiti government officials. Ti adado detalye kasi man ti panagasarita ti konsehal.
Amo tayo apo nga dati ICC International Criminal Court apo na design there to give justice kadagiti biktima among others crimes against humanity apo, especially designed kadagiti government officials or government leaders apo. At by practice, kung sikakit dati ka nga presidente or presidente ka, 95% hana ka nga isak lang di country nga nagyanap. At they will be most likely partial in your favor. So the only way for the victims of injustice is to go to a tribunal that is impartial and far from any influence by that accused apo. So definitely, tirason no apay the ICC tayo in order to investigate and to punish the aramid na krimen by any government leaders apo.
In general, PJ at naman kung mga investigations at nakaparang ilan at kumalaksan the implementation ng warrant.
As a jurisdiction man namin the ICC ako, but of course before they are going to implement it ako, they need that because state will also cooperate at kapanod ang sa the Pilipinas because we are one of the signatory of the various conventions that were made abroad ako at dapat the constitution tayo dito ako at it is not proper for us to comply with whatever lawful order emanating from local jurisdiction ako at that is how our justice system must be working.
Di ba naka-serve the warrant for tapos mga the hard copy nga ipata kasi
no ICC sa bali nga salitaan namin nila we do not really know the particular procedures apo, but in the Philippines if we are going to apply our criminal laws apo, the justice system tayo it is not proper for the arresting peace officer or police officer to read the warrant of his arrest of a certain accused apo. Kada sa Pilipinas nag-arrest na dapat nakabody cam, that is our laws here, but we are dealing with a different law for the ICC. The different countries around the world, they made also their own laws affecting any individuals who may have been guilty for crimes that falls under the jurisdiction of the ICC, particularly the common mga crimes against humanity apo. And we need to remember during the previous years, it is not common for so many people being killed. Anting mailibak DJ ribo-ribo nga natay ako. And somebody should be answering to those charges ako. Tano, it will prove nga one basol, then they will be exonerated. If it will prove nga they are liable, then it's not proper for anyone to answer for his actions apo and to be punished if needed.
Paset, panagasarid ni Konsehal Abogado Jason Bader Pereira.
I second the motion. Yun, correct. Very good. Yun talaga properly, Idol Joan, ang interpretation of what was happened with the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Yun, tama ang sinabi ni Abogado Jason Bader Pereira that it is but proper na sa ibang bansa mo siya gagawin yung hearing para walang bias sa mangyayari, and at the same time sabi nga nila walang impartiality at kailangan maibigay kung totoo namang ginawa niya yon, magiging yan ang mga pruweba syempre idasar da yan ta korte at na maamuan ti kinapaysunan no wenno saan gitong allegation against the former president, Idol Joanne. Again, it was designed, the ICC was designed to all the members or the country members of the ICC International Criminal Court nang ron nakadigiti na nga atong opisyal. May isa dito nga nga atong opisyal, of course, former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Makamuntod ti korte ICC no maduktalan da nga awan basol na. Parang atanda, di nga men? That's it. Innocent until proven guilty by the International Criminal Court, Idol Joanne. Anymore?
Hindi pala nga ti damag, iti syudad ti Lawag, kadwa 99.5 asong Lawag, Idol Joanne Gipin, tatak.